Looks like Chinese AI firms are coming after Anthropic's AI, according to Anthropic. What the hell is that all about? The Chinese unicorns DeepSeek, MiniMax, and Moonshot AI created over 2,400 fraudulent accounts and trained their models using over 16 million exchanges with Claude, a process known as distillation. We talked about that before. Anthropic alleged in a Monday blog post. So we're likely to see more stories like this out there. In fact, I'm surprised we don't see more of them, as many people are just standing up these very valuable LLMs, and they're available online. Typically can be accessed via free account. You can train other models from those models. It's called distillation. And many of the large language models that are outside of the country that may not have access to some of the higher end chips, the Blackwell chip, for example, from NVIDIA, may be going this route because they're limited in the size and scope and how they can train these existing models that they're trying to build. And obviously, it's a model race right now. The best LLM is supposed to win the day. I'm not quite sure how that's going to work, but they're under the impression that if they can access somebody else's data, bring their knowledge over, it's going to make them more valuable. And so we just saw another instance of this. And by the way, this isn't the first time we've seen it. We saw it a while ago. And certainly when DeepSeek started, they, admitted right out of the gate that they were using distillation to train many of the models because some of the limitations that they had on the processing technology that they're allowed to use. So Anthropic saw that they were bombarded with API inquiries to harvest responses, training rival models on the stolen parametric knowledge. That's what it's called, when the knowledge is actually in the models. This covert IP theft sidesteps hacking by reverse engineering capabilities through sheer volume. So Anthropic detected it via behavioral monitoring and blocked the actors, but warns of escalating U.S.-China AI espionage risks amid tightening export controls. The incident underscores vulnerabilities in frontier AI assets. And again, we're going to see more of this.